Ladies and gentlemen, travel is not only about the destination, it is about the journey. And there is no journey more beautiful than traveling through nature by road. Imagine sitting in a car, the window slightly open, feeling the fresh breeze as green hills roll past you. The road curves gently through forests, lakes shimmer beside you, birds cross the sky, and every turn reveals a new story of nature's beauty. When you travel by road, nature welcomes you slowly. You see farmers smiling, children waving, trees dancing with the wind, and mountains standing proudly in the distance. You stop where your heart feels space to take photos, breathe deeply, and truly connect with the land. Road travel allows you to feel the country, not just to see it. It gives you freedom, comfort, and unforgettable memories. Every kilometer becomes an adventure, every view a reason to smile. So I invite you to choose the road, travel by car, explore the nature closely, and let the journey itself become your destination. Thank you so much.